Stop doing guesswork. Get the right tool for the job. AWS Glue or Zookeeper. Let's find out. AWS Glue is a managed ETL service that helps you easily prepare and transform data for analytics. It's perfect for data integration tasks, where you need to clean up and organize data from multiple sources. Think of it as your data janitor, making everything neat and tidy for analysis. On the other hand, Zookeeper is a centralized service for maintaining configuration information, naming, providing distributed synchronization, and group services. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating different services to work together seamlessly, ideal for managing large distributed systems. So, which one should you use? If you're dealing with data prep and transformation, go with AWS Glue. But if you need to manage and coordinate multiple services, Zookeeper is your go-to. Simple as that. Still confused? Drop your questions in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.